going to come straight back through, a little float over the top, and then now a little more pull.
Joshua French Keeper 7 dropping to low level vicinity of Point Juliet. We'll report back inside Mike.
Stand by, sir. Ident. Six miles west of the Furnace Creek Airport, the China Lake altimeter 3012. Stay altitude.
Okay, I have the aircraft.
West of the field.
206 knots. Now you're going to push it out. And then up and over.
Holy cow.
Tier 1 check, I say. Now let's approach 119.35.
Oh, yeah. That's really cool. Wow.
Yeah, I think that's the first thing you'll notice is just how agile and responsive it is.
Can I throw the burner? See what it feels like?
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay.
Yeah, so you're going to push the throttle all the way
November
forward.
1.
Yeah.
And it's definitely been an honor to have you as part of the team today. We've got one thing left, and I know you're up for it. You ready for a 9G pull?
Yeah. Yeah. Okay, wow. Yeah. Yeah, we have quite the Air Force, the world-class team. And I keep telling you, the Air Force's mission is to fly, fight, win. And you guys do it in the air, space, and cyberspace.
Message out.
It's just such an honor to be in this seat. Not many people get to do this, and I really appreciate it.
Oh, I'm glad, man. All right, again, Alex, on behalf of the Thunderbird, thanks, and we'll see you outside.
Absolutely. Thanks again.
Throttle's off.